Hey everyone, I just wanted to go through the Liberty Belle RX products with you. You know I've been using them for a little while now and that I swear by them, and I've seen massive results in my skin, and you can see those in my Instagram highlights. I've documented my journey. Anyway, so I thought I'd go through the products that I actually use with you. So first of all, the cleansers. They have 3 cleansers available, and I've used them all. And the last one that I ended up trying actually is my favorite. It's called Braveheart, and it feels like I'm actually at Liberty Belle getting a facial. It's actually unbelievable. So do yourself a favor and try the Braveheart cleanser. So I have just now cleansed my face. And the next thing I use is the Tri-C Serum, which is called Next Level. And yes, it's a bit dirty because I've been using it forever. So I'm almost out of this one. I really need to restock. So then that goes on next. And I never really knew what brightening was. And they have a couple of brightening products, and I always thought it meant whitening for some reason. Anyway, brightening, my skin is so much brighter with the Liberty Belle RX collection. It has a more even complexion, and I just feel a bit more glowy, if that even makes sense. Anyway, so the next product I use is definitely one of my favorites, called Bright Star, and it is the Advanced Brightening Complex C. So I put that on next. It feels so good. And I swear the Bright Star product has made dramatic results for me. And also the eye cream, which I'll show you last. So then we have a moisturiser, and so the thing with me is I'm mid-30s and I'd never had a skincare routine before. And so I thought it's time for me to find a brand that I trust and that I will definitely see results in. And that's kind of why I'm so passionate about Liberty Belle RX, because they do just that. And I was after a really good moisturiser because everyone needs a good moisturiser, and I was kind of using all different kinds of brands because I never really knew which one to use. And so the Power Broker is actually unbelievable. It feels amazing going on. It's good for you know, radiance boosting and obviously fine lines. They also have another moisturizing cream called Superhero, and I've got that here. And that is an anti-pollution barrier. So, you know, if you're living in a highly polluted city, then this is the one for you. And I know a lot of brands are doing that at the moment. So Liberty Belle have created their own one. Okay, and next is the most important skincare product that I need to use. Hi, Freddie. Thank you, darling. The next one is the sunscreen. Their sunscreen, I know it's dirty. I use it all the time, it's been used. So the sunscreen is a physical zinc, and it's a broad spectrum, and it just is so much better than what else is on the market. My friends have kind of Googled the ingredients and tried to compare it to other brands, and no other brands can compete with how good this one is. So I've converted a lot of my friends to use the Liberty Belle RX sunscreen called Superstar, and it is amazing. It goes on thicker, obviously because it's a sunscreen and it's a zinc, but for some reason my makeup applies really beautifully on with it. So, you know, it doesn't ghost you, you know, by making your skin really white. It just comes on really beautifully, and it smells good too. So that's the sunscreen. You should be using this every single day, I was told by Dr. Moss. You know, even if you're out walking for half an hour, the sunscreen is going to protect you the most. So what's next? I have Game Changer. So Game Changer is another favorite of mine because I also use it as my primer. So it's the last product I use on my skin with my skincare routine, and it's basically, yeah, my primer, so my makeup goes on straight after this. It feels so beautiful and light and refreshing, and it's a complexion perfecting gel. So it's going to make my complexion even, and it definitely does that. And then lastly, an eye cream, and I have been craving an eye cream my whole life, and again, I never knew what brand to trust, what brand would bring me results, and then now I absolutely swear by the I Do Eye Cream by Liberty Belle RX. It's obviously an anti-aging, and it's peptide wrinkle defense eye gel, it's called. And I put that on morning and night, so under my eyes and to my crow's feet. And I've definitely seen results in my my eyes. If you jump onto my highlights, you'll see that my eyes have really kind of, I don't know, changed and brightened, and maybe I look more fresh, maybe I'm getting more sleep because my little baby's getting bigger, but I'm thanking this little baby right here. Just want to quickly mention also before I sign off that I do have a nighttime routine with different products, and they also have a nighttime only eye cream, and this this has retinol in it, so you only use it at nighttime, and this will give you dramatic results as well. So if you want results in your skincare routine, the Liberty Belle RX, I'm a testimony to that. I swear by it, and I love it, and it's definitely changed my skin, and I would not promote anything if I didn't absolutely believe in it. And I'm happy to show you my nighttime routine next time, but they're all the products that I use. If you need to jump on a call to Liberty Belle or pop in and see them, they're in Toorak in Melbourne, and they will tailor the products to you and what they think that you should use. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed that and got something out of it, and I'll see you soon.